Hi guys and welcome back, but this time is from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, not from Sydney as usual. And today I'm going to give you very quick tips about the exam night, the last day before the exam, which is Friday, especially if your exam is on Saturday as usual with most countries. There are three tips or three rules, three advice. You have to stick to them if you would like to guarantee a great score in IELTS. Number one tip, enough of doing practice tests. Do not do practice tests on the last day of the IELTS preparation, especially with listening, reading and writing. If you would like to make a speaking practice test, no problem, because it will not affect you very much. What I'm talking about is do not do reading tests, listening tests or writing tests. Why this? Because you may face a difficult test that leave you a bit disappointed or distracted or comfortable or unconfident. So do not do a practice test before the exam day. Number two tip is sleep early as possible and get up early as possible, which means you have to maximum go to bed at 10 o'clock, okay, to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So doing practice and revision on the exam night does not help. And unlike this, it makes you tired and exhausted and you will not get up early. So you have to make sure that you get up early, okay, at least 6 o'clock, and you go to the exam location, whether you are in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, in Egypt, in Malaysia, anywhere. But you have to get up early, okay, in order not to get to reach the place, the location of the exam at the last minute. You are exhausted, you are distracted, you are running, and you cannot focus or concentrate. So please go there enough time earlier, okay? So at for example 7:30 should be the last time or the deadline you have to reach the exam location. The last and third trip is please it may be a little embarrassing or a bit not very decent. Go to the toilet 3 times before the exam, before you go to the exam room. Why this? Because if you do not go to the toilets before the exam, you will feel that you do need to go to the exam just in the middle, okay, which usually is in the writing skill, which is the last skill, and this should affect your score, affect your concentration, affect your exam result. So try to go to the toilet just before you leave the house. Go to the toilet once you arrive the location of the exam, and go straight away before going to the exam room. This, by the way, along 145 exam, this valid tips worked very well and made many people get top score. Some of them got 9, okay, and some in reading especially, and some of them got 8.5 total band score. So all the best, study well, do your best, and inshallah Allah will help you. Thank you very much and see you soon. Mohammed Shukrani, AGC. Bye bye.